Hello, I'm Laseni Coralage, a second-year biomedical science student at Deakin University, Australia. Right after I finished my A-levels at Sirma Bandanayake Vidyalaya, I was able to swiftly move to a foundation program here at Royal Institute of Colombo. Following that, I was able to complete my first year of university here in Sri Lanka at RIC as an affiliated partner with Deakin University, Australia. I am grateful for all the support and guidance received from our lecturers throughout the first year, and we were able to complete our second year of university in Australia at Deakin without any hurdles. Thank you very much.